How to fix Steam purchase not appearing in library. So in here, the very first thing that I recommend you guys do is simply restart the Steam client. You can fully exist the Steam via your media and exist, and then you can restart the application and see if that helps. If not, then you can try to check for the purchase history. You can actually get into the account details on the menu bar right here. You can, if you are logged into account, you can get into the account details and then view purchase history to check if the transaction status is pending or failed. So after doing that, you would now know what the exact issue is. If that did not help, then try to clear all of the Steam download cache. You can actually get into the settings, and then from there you can get into the downloads and then tap on clear all of the download cache, and like that you'll be able to clear all of the Steam download cache too. Right, so after doing all of that, if that did not help, then lastly try to check for family library filter. What you can do is simply turn off the library filter and verify the game isn't hidden in the hidden tab, and just like this you'll actually be able to fix your Steam purchase not appearing in library. If you guys do have any further queries, then please let me know in the comment section down below.